Hey guys, how you doing? So we're back in beautiful Varadero. We're here at Calle 63 at the LCDH. We lucked out. One of the only boxes that they had left was actually Partagas Series P number 2, one of my favorites. So check it out. We just picked them up, already smoking one. Burning a little wonky because of the wind here. We don't have a torch, so we were lighting it up with traditional Bic lighter. Which isn't the best way to do it, but you gotta improvise. Very nice dark wrapper, just like I like them.
They look awesome.
It's really hot out here. It feels like 32 degrees Celsius, super humidity, like 100% humidity. So these are gonna get really nice. We pretty much just got here last night, jumped into the ocean, party, did whatever we could. We finished up our regular cigars that we brought with us. We had to go and pick up some more. Box date on this is May 2024. The cigar, as usual, Partagas Series P number 2, very, very nice. Nice and strong, full-bodied cigar, very nice. We also picked up this box of Cohiba shorts. Really nice for just when you're on the beach or something like that, just walking around, handing them out. Really good. I'm especially standing at this spot because my buddy, Robina, as you guys have seen from some of the other videos, used to have a bench right here, but for some reason they retired the guy and they moved him from here. So this is a tribute to Robina, my buddy. As he told me, I can call him Antonio. Nobody else can, just me. You guys stay tuned. We'll show you exactly what we're gonna be up to. We're gonna party, we're gonna go crazy, paint the town red, have some fun here, and then heading straight down to Havana to pick up some more cigars over there. So you guys stay tuned, have fun. Cheers guys, peace. Hey guys, so we picked up the Partagas Series P number 2s right across at La Casa Del Habano, and we're here for our traditional meal, steak at the Steakhouse. Finding steak in Varadero can be tough sometimes, so pro tip, right across from La Casa Del Habano on 63, there's a very nice steakhouse that we always come to. Got some nice steaks here. You can smoke outside, it's outdoors. They've got some music playing in the background and caparinas. Cheers guys. Check it out, they've got some traditional music.
Oye, que llegó el tercero, my brother, okay? It's okay, my brain.
Thank you, brothers.
Bueno?
Very good, thank you, thank you. Beautiful dinner right here at the Steakhouse, Calle 63 across the street. Fantastic. Tradition. Nobody messes with tradition, you know that, right? We're heading back to the hotel now. We're gonna get a couple hours of swimming in just before we call it for the night and smoke some more cigars. See you soon. Classic cars, Pontiac.
He doesn't know what model.
He doesn't know what model, but it's very nice. It's got these seats.